Now to your money. Check that big board. Yes, the rally continues. Let's see, 27 of the Dow 30 are in the green. They're up, and the Dow's up 258 points. Tomorrow morning, some of the big banks report their profits. This is important. Scott Martin's with us, Fox News contributor. All right, Scott, we're expecting very strong profit reports. Is it going to be strong enough to give us a second leg up for the stock market?
Oh, Stuart, that's why you're the best in the business. You know, that's the $64,000 question. Here's the way we're playing this one at KingsU with our clients. We own financials. We own J.P. Morgan. We own Wells Fargo. We own U.S. Bancorp, to name three. But here's the thing about them. The opportunity is there for financials to deliver some great results. We had some volatility, which usually helps their trading activity. Loan credibility, as far as, you know, the actual credit worthiness of the borrower, is good. But the interest rate curve isn't so good. So there's some things that, in my opinion, are pushing and pulling against the financials. The only thing I am worried about, though, is market sentiment on the financials, in my opinion, has gotten a little bit over its skis. So to me, the risk of disappointment is a little higher if these numbers don't come in blockbuster.
Okay, what about all the other sectors? I mean, when big tech reports and industrial companies report, they're all expected to be stellar profit reports. I asked the same question there. Are these profits big enough, strong enough for another second leg up for the market?
Yes, we love them, and we own them. I mean, you know, as well as I do, as many of the viewers do. We love Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Google. We own those guys. And here's the other side of the coin versus the financials with, say, tech. I mean, gosh, Stuart, how many times have we talked on this show in the last 3 to 4 weeks about how everybody's throwing tech out the window, and that's when you need to actually go outside and catch it and put it in your portfolio. So I'm actually liking the prospects of tech here heading into earnings because market sentiment had turned so negative on them.
We got the price of oil at a 4-year high yesterday. It's backed off a little bit now to $66 a barrel. To me, that means higher gas prices, especially as we head through the summer. Is that likely to be a problem at all for the economy and the market?
It does seem a little coincidental with this season. The summer driving season, I think, is just a month or two away. But if you go outside in Chicago today, you'd be confused because it still feels like February, maybe even January earlier this week. So here's the thing. It's interesting in the aspect of seeing where it's going to come in with respect to how many people are going to hit the roads here over Memorial Day in the summer. But the good news is, with the tax cuts, with the economic growth that we have, the wage growth that we see every month in the jobs numbers, Stuart, I don't believe the impact of higher gas prices this summer is going to be as pronounced as it was, say, some years ago.
All right, I'll leave it there. Scott Martin, still bullish on technology. Thank you, Scott Martin. We'll see you again real soon, sir. Thank you.